welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Saving SuperMom. Today is Freebie Friday and I have a special guest. Can everybody say hi to Charlotte?
Hi.
We are going to be saving in our Freebie Friday binder, which is used for our family binders and travel. We're starting at number 1 today. I have $20 with me, and Miss Charlotte is going to roll the dice, and whatever it lands on is how many bills that envelope's going to get. Go ahead. What is that? 2.
2.
She's sitting on my lap, so I can't really see. And 3.
3.
How is everybody doing? It's Friday. Do you have any plans this weekend? Charlotte, why don't you tell them what we're doing this weekend? What are we doing? What are we celebrating?
Birthday.
Your birthday?
And
We're having...
that's my 4.
It is number 4. That's how old you're turning.
Yeah.
Okay, roll it again. We are celebrating Charlotte's birthday on Sunday. And I have a funeral on Saturday. And then keep going. We're just going to be doing a bunch of party prep after, like Saturday afternoon. But let me know down in the comments below what you guys are up to this weekend. Hold on, they can't see. Neither can Mommy. All right, we've got one more, so I'm just going to put it on number 3. We'll put this away. And then we'll start on number 4 next time. All right, so why don't you move over there, and you can pick me a color. We're going to start off on number 1. Let's see how we did today.
Pick a color.
You can pick a color.
Maybe orange.
Orange?
No.
That's a good color.
How about purple?
Purple?
Yeah.
All right. So this one comes from Madeline Budgets, and today it got $1, $2, $3, and $4. We only needed 3, so we finished this one. Yay! 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, 3.
All right, and then we're going
I'm
to...
turning 4.
You are turning 4.
I'm not turning 3. I'm turning 4. 1,
Right.
2, 3, 4.
Mm-hmm.
I'm turning 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes. We're going to make sure that this is 15. So we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Perfect.
And 14.
This one is going to Germany, which is where we plan on going on our 20-year wedding anniversary. We are about to celebrate 8 years, so we've got quite a bit to save up, but that is the goal. Let me see. All right, I'm going to bring this one in. This is from Mom Wife Budget Life. It says, take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. And let's see. Let's put it towards my binder because it's like self-care. And we have $1 to put that in there. Can you pick Mommy a color? Pink? I like pink. It matches the paper. Look at it. So pretty. All right, so starting that one off with $1. Next, we've got this one from me. It is an April freebie with an Etsy purchase. And it's got these cute little chicks on them. And excuse me. Today we got 1, 2, 3, and 4, so I can cross off 4 more of these. Can I have a color?
I'm gonna shoot
Can Mommy take the blue one?
Mhm.
Okay. All right, so we're going to cross off 4. It looks like we're about halfway with this one. So far we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Perfect. And this one is going to my husband.
Me?
Nope, it's going to Daddy.
Oh, Dad.
Next, for number 3, we've got this one from Tailor Your Budget. We only needed 3. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we finished this one. Can I have another color, babe?
You can have this.
That one?
Yeah.
All right. There you go. All right. I don't have anything to showcase today. I do have a ton that I need to print out, so I'll have a bunch. I'll have a huge haul next week, but it has been absolutely nuts this week between my birthday on Monday and then my daughter's birthday party on Sunday. Her birthday is on Tuesday, I think. It's the 21st. I don't have a calendar in front of me, but her birthday is on the 21st, and I think that's Tuesday. But we have just been in like full-blown party prep. I am DIYing all of the decorations this year, and I've been like constantly on my Cricut with all of like the paper stuff, and it's just been so hectic and crazy. I still owe my members a video. I wasn't able to pre-film that one, so that one's going to be going out late, probably this weekend at some point, but I'm just going to be getting little to no sleep because I have so much to do and like no free time this weekend, so it's just crazy. All right, so from Tailor Your Budget, we were able to save 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. I'm sorry that my daughter is making a bunch of noises. She's organizing my markers for me, apparently. So this one is going to Family Binders. I'm probably just going to split it between my girls. Let me get another challenge. All right, I'm going to bring this one in. This is from Steph's on a Budget. It's a cute little, like, teacher theme apple. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's an apple. And I'm going to put that towards Charlotte. And today we have $2. It makes you cry.
Yeah.
And I'm going to color these in, so I'll be right back. There you go. All right, so we got 2 red apples colored in so far. Each one of these is $1. All of the icons are $1 because we only come with $20. So just to kind of keep things flowing a little bit faster than, you know, $2 like we do on Tuesdays. All right, so if I can get it, number 4. Number 4 is from Christine's Creations on Ko-fi. We only got $1, so let's go ahead and just cross off one of these. So now we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Perfect. And that one is going to me again. I didn't know I already had one, but that's okay. All right. Number 5. Number 5 is from Leanne at the Enchanted Owl's Nest. And it says, reminder, breathe, go easy on yourself today. Whatever you do, let that be enough. And we have $3 to put in this one. So I'm going to color in 3 hearts and I'll be right back. All right, so with this one, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and $7. Perfect. And this one is going to camping.
Yeah, camping. I like to go camping.
Me too.
Mommy, this flower dried out.
No, it didn't dry out.
Oh, look.
That's just from a different page. It's okay.
Then who colored it?
It was you the last time. All right, and then number 6 comes from my bestie Miranda at Shades Budgets. It says, "You are loved." And today we got $3 in this one, so we can cross off 3 more of these. Perfect. So we have $4 in here. Awesome. All right, super short and sweet video for you guys on this beautiful Friday. I don't know how beautiful it is for you guys. It's not really beautiful here, honestly. It's been really, really rainy and nasty. But the weather is warm, so I guess we can't complain too much. All right, well, we were able to complete 2 today, so yay. I'm so excited to stuff this at the end of the month when we do our reallocation. So I just want to thank you all so much for being here with us today. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button so we can keep going on this journey together. And always remember, my friends, you are amazing, you are worthy, and you are more than enough. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Can you say bye?
Bye.